Okay, so welcome to cabin 46. This is one of 50 cabins. This cabin comes equipped with a desk, a chair, a bed, mattress, a mini fridge, and some shelving for people's personal items. This site will also have 24/7 security. So any concerns that are happening at the site, or if community or neighbors are having any challenges, they can connect directly with the Working Center, or they can connect with 24/7 security. Part of the Working Center's process and policies here is a no guest, no visitor policy. So that will ensure that the 50 people that are staying here are safe. On site with the 50 cabins will be a community center that is in the middle of the site. The community center will have a kitchen servery where people can get their food at any time that they need to. It will be a gathering and a meeting place for meetings, community agencies and partners to come in. There's office space for those outside agencies to come in and meet with residents that are staying here, and a little bit of respite for the Working Center staff. They have offices. Lots of storage for the stuff that they'll need on site. There's also washrooms. There is an accessibility washroom with the roll-in shower. And all of these pieces are intended to have everything that people need right here as we bring supports and services and community agencies to the site to support people with what they need. Pets are welcome at the site, so we will also have people arriving with pets. I just got a most recent update that we'll see probably around 8 dogs at the site in terms of how are people going to get into the city or to appointments. The Working Center actually has a 7-passenger van that they have hired a driver for. They will be making multiple trips during the day into the community to bring people to their appointments, maybe to see friends, have a coffee, do whatever they need to do, connect with family.